Personally, spontaneously, I would say in terms of identity is a complex issue because the missionary collections we have here, as we have seen, they are from different contexts and historical backgrounds. Some were gifts that missionaries received, some they bought it, some they brought it with various intentions, some just for the aesthetics, some is connected to their experiences in the field, some maybe wanted to use it also to help people in this context to connect with the people, the locals. So it's a complex identity. It has to be cultural. Some parts is religious identity, as we saw with the religious artifacts, which actually for missionaries was a means of what we call catechism, a way of teaching the people who could not read and write. It was also a way of communicating the faith to them. So it's part of it.